Let's go over to Emma, a business administration major with an accounting concentration from Vail, Colorado. Emma is a varsity cross-country skier and an outdoor lover. She knew she had to pick a university in the middle of everything that will allow those passions to flourish. Emma would love to hear more. Take it away.
Thank you, Alex, for the warm introduction. Hey, everyone. I'm from Colorado, but I came to New Hampshire to start a new adventure. Living in a small Colorado mountain town my whole life and being a skier, I knew that I needed to have the mountains and nature wherever I went to school. But it was also a necessity for me to have access to the city for internships and job opportunities, and the University of New Hampshire met all of those requirements for me. I love how close UNH is to everything on the East Coast, like the White Mountains and the ocean. The beach is a short drive from campus. Boston is just an hour's train ride away, and there's an Amtrak station right on campus. It's easy to go see a show, a game, or spend a night out with some friends. Being a business administration major, I love that UNH does such an amazing job with connecting new firms in Boston. Many of these firms send recruiters and guest speakers to visit students at UNH, which has provided me with helpful insight into my future career. UNH also has a huge recreational trail system on campus called College Woods. As an endurance athlete, running and biking helps me train during the summers, so I love going out to the trails. I am so lucky to have the option to do this right in my backyard. Looking back, I don't think I could have found a college that is more appealing to me than UNH. The amazing friends I made through all of my connections has shaped me into the person I am today, and I am so grateful to UNH for helping me find myself in college. That's all from me, Alex. Back to you.
Wow, Emma, you sure love to stay on the move. The University of New Hampshire has a famously beautiful campus and one of the safest college towns in the nation, but you showed us there's so much more to discover here in the heart of New England. We are so glad we were able to catch up with you. Thanks again.